Hello, Arushi. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
Meet for a long time. I'm doing well.
Yes, after a long time. I have a message for
After
you.
after long. What is whom from whom? Katrina,
Uh, no, I don't know I can't remember the name, but
Sonakshi.
oh, come on. I said I don't know the name.
Bolo.
Uh,
Male or
I,
female?
that also I don't know. I'm so sorry, but I'm sure it's from female only
How
because
okay, okay.
huh.
Tell me, tell me.
So it was like she has a big crush on you and you're very handsome and I have to tell you this in my next session. That was a message.
I will. She will tell this to me in her next session.
I can only tell you.
Oh, okay. Got it. So how did you come across this message?
YouTube.
Oh. It's on your channel.
Yeah, on one of our conversations. Yes.
Okay. I'm going to search for the video. I'm actually searching for the video. Sorry, I actually searched for the video.
I can't remember the video, but yeah.
What is the name of your
There
channel? What is
there are multiple videos of our conversation. I'm not
but
sure how you.
what is the name of your channel?
Let's converse.
Let's convert.
Yeah.
Got it.
Great.
अरे thumbnail तो मिलेगा. I have to search thumbnail now.
I also don't remember, but I think it's in red t-shirt or something.
There is not a single video which I can see over now. No, no,
No,
where
no,
I
there
can see myself in a red t-shirt.
are t-shirt. I don't remember, but there are multiple videos and
I can't see a single video of myself. That's what I'm saying.
really. Then don't go with the color, okay? I can be
Uh,
wrong.
no, I don't see a single video of me. I'll tell you what. I'll show you what. Wait, I'll show you. So there are some videos. I can see there are how many videos? Oh, okay. No. Okay, now I got it. Hmm. So I'll check. I'll check. Ah.
You got it. Oh,
So just above that, no, there is this person has written, "Sir is in sleepy mood. It makes audience also to feel sleepy. It is not refreshing. It is not refreshing. One conversation concept is nice. Okay. So below that it is written, "Hi Arushi, I have crush on this tutor. Like love at first sight. You will say to him in your next conversation."
yeah. I think when I got the reminder of the session, I
uh,
immediately clicked
I should
okay.
reply thank you, no?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
That's why you decided to have a session with me today.
No, it's not like
Mm.
that.
I'm just putting it like that. Uh, Thank you, Arushi. Thank you so much. I'm quite tired right now. So क्या बोलते हैं?
Oh,
How do I
yeah,
say?
I also wanted to ask you one thing. Like, of course, I was booking sessions for my uh, entire week. So I have seen you for the whole, like, I have seen your sessions for the whole day from morning to night. So I was wondering, like, how,
This week I did that because last week I was slightly unwell. So I missed out on a few times, and obviously, the more sessions you take, the more
money you get. Yeah. Okay.
And last month I took less sessions because I was drained at some level. So I decided I'll push myself a bit this month.
So
So
how do you
this
feel like after? Hmm.
this week I did this 8 to 12, 8 to 3, from morning 8 to afternoon 3, and then 5, no, 5 to 12 in the night. So 8 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 7 hours, 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9,
Again,
10,
7 hours.
11, 12. No, yeah, 14 hours. Oh my God.
Exactly, again 7 hours. So you took only
14 hours.
2 hours break in between in the afternoon. Isn't it too much? Like I was wondering. Actually, I have tried to book a session of 11 or 12 in the night, and I couldn't do that.
Uh,
So then I got to know. Okay, he's available for the whole day. I mean, and I didn't notice the break also. So I was like, how come you can take the sessions for the whole day, and how you feel actually, how you uh, able to manage this?
this week I'm doing this. This week I'm doing this.
And
And
are you
and it's
tired or you're just feeling it nice? Like, okay, I can do it.
I so I can do it. I can do it. I'm tired from the point of view of it is uh it is how do I say, speaking continuously is a little draining. You get a little drained out.
Exactly.
Plus I can't be okay, tell me. Okay. Yeah, because a person has put in their money, put in not me, the other person putting in their money,
Exactly.
they're putting in their
Exactly.
time. So you
Yeah.
have to be a little, upbeat about it.
Yes.
So I am honestly, I'm telling you, I'm tired. I my like and a lot of times I sit upright, so my back also, at some it's aching a bit. But then, because I feel that a person is putting in the time and effort, you have to give that experience to them.
Right. Right. Otherwise, they feel the tutor is not responding. What should I speak and all?
More importantly, I feel that because they have put in their money, they should get a good experience.
Yeah.
So I'm attempting to give that. That I'm attempting to, but I think maybe at some level I would be getting a little. Then whenever I feel that I'm getting a little down, I push myself.
Okay. It's nice, but like it's experimenting with yourself, kind of.
And I don't think I've ever done for 14 hours. This is the first time I'm doing for 14 hours.
And I personally think in summer especially, you are already drained due to this weather and temperature and everything. And I personally feel like I should log off as soon as possible, and I should at least walk somewhere or go somewhere. So
I
that's
will
why
go somewhere.
summer is taking your or the sunny day
Was
is
taking a
taking a lot
toll.
of, yeah,
And you
it
stay in a
is.
hotter city than Mumbai.
Yeah, exactly. So I feel the same. It is the hottest city, but I think Mumbai is
Hotter.
yeah, hotter than Mumbai, of course. And it comes under the hottest city in Maharashtra, Nagpur.
Huh?
Yeah,
I was.
our
Let
current
me tell you
temperature
what.
is
Go on, go on. First, you complete. You first, you complete.
40 to 43. So yes, of course it is.
A few days ago, I was checking something. I think I was checking something. I was checking where is Nasik and where is Nagpur. So I knew where Nasik is. So I was checking if I was right. I was right. And I was checking Nagpur. Nagpur is much in the interiors of Maharashtra.
Yes. And I don't know whether you heard about it or not, due to G20, that meeting happened in Nagpur. So for that occasion, Nagpur is fully decorated, and like they tried to impress the foreigners, I can say. The people who
They
are
try to
coming for
impress.
the meeting. Yeah. So
I'll tell
it's
you one thing.
beautiful.
I'll tell you it. No, no, no. Go first. First, you complete. I'll tell something funny.
Okay.
No, no, you go. You go. You go. You go.
No, actually, I was also in Pune when this G20 meeting happened. So when I came back to Nagpur, I feel like, am I in my city or somewhere else? So it is really very beautiful. they have decorated it like with lightings, with all as much as they can. I think.
So when Donald Trump had come to Ahmedabad,
Ahmedabad, yeah, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, somewhere.
the municipal corporation built a wall.
That
The
broke
reason
down
is
later.
the reason they built that wall is because let's say he's traveling from, how do I show it to you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah. He's he's traveling from D to N. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
From D he's traveling to N. So on that route there's a slum. Let's say this is the slum.
Okay.
Stretch of slum.
Yeah, yeah.
So to hide that slum, they built a wall.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Built a wall to hide
But
the
I
hide.
think, yeah. But in Nagpur, it was not at all like that. Actually, they have, I think, invested a lot of money and efforts as well. So everyone is saying
Mhm.
that Nagpur is more beautiful now. Yeah, I don't think they tried to hide something. They just tried to, yeah, show. They just tried to show the beauty of city, like how.
Mhm.
And of course, Nagpur is one of the nicest cities. So yes.
Nicest, okay. Self-proclaimed. I honestly would want to visit Nagpur once.
Yeah, please come because it is, I think, developing, and it will be, yeah, it will count as metropolitan city in
I think
country.
Nagpur should be a metropolitan city. Come on, yeah.
Yes, it is
Maharashtra.
because we have to travel to Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore for job and everything. So
I know.
we
I
are
honestly
hoping.
would say there should be more cities of. See, Nagpur is a metropolitan. It's a large city. It's not a metropolitan. Sorry.
Yeah,
No,
everything is
Nagpur
under
is a
construction.
metropolitan city.
Yeah, everything
Nagpur
is under
metropolitan area.
construction, but it is not yet developed that much. Like,
So I think
of course.
go on. I'm interrupting you a lot. So sorry. Please go on. I'll speak
No,
after
no,
you.
I was just saying that it is developing, but it is not that developed like, of course, Pune, Mumbai, and Bangalore. So we are working on
We are working on it. Okay. So I
it.
think in Maharashtra we've got four metropolitan cities: Pune, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, and Nashik.
Nashik as well. Okay, I didn't know about Nashik. Okay, so Google is telling you that.
Wikipedia.
Oh, it's okay. So it's good to know
Good, good.
that we are among
And yeah,
four cities.
Nagpur is a famous city. I think of
Yeah,
one of
it
the more
is.
famous cities.
It is, and
Like you
I
think
think
of
it's
big
been,
cities,
yeah, big cities. I think from last couple of years, it's developing well, like a metro, and
hmm,
few companies are trying to grow their business here,
hmm,
and so many things like education system and everything. There are many colleges and schools.
that's very nice.
Yeah,
I think with these things happening now, the dependency of people wanting to come to Mumbai will reduce.
exactly. And not only Mumbai, I think we have expanded our scope to. Our first priority is Pune because, of
Pune,
course, as compared to Mumbai, Pune has a cheaper, what should I say, way
standard of
of
living,
living, cost of living, and standard of living. So, of course,
cost
we
of living,
prefer Pune than Mumbai because
cost of living, not
in
standard of
Mumbai,
living, cost of living.
yeah, in Mumbai you can get a job, but you can't. But I think you will not get a place to live. So that is the,
You will get a place to live also. But honestly, Mumbai is very crowded, very crowded.
yeah.
Like
Yes, I
I
have
was telling
been
someone
there.
today itself that I feel the population of Mumbai should reduce at least by 70%.
Exactly, exactly. I mean, if you go out, you feel like everywhere there are people and crowd. Actually, we were traveling through metro. I went there for some work. So we were
When we
traveling
had come
through.
to Mumbai,
Yes, I have been there.
when
Uh, I think in the month of November, December, something.
Last year.
Yeah,
Oh,
I have been there for 2 to 3 days only.
I
I
had
couldn't explore,
something. Uh, you should have
but I
told,
did
no?
not like. I did not like the traffic. Now you go on, sorry.
But why didn't you tell me that you're coming to Mumbai?
Because that was a sudden plan. I came for my friend's visa actually for embassy. Yeah, we don't have that
We
privilege here,
didn't.
so no,
We
but we
don't. We
still
don't.
don't have.
We don't. We don't. I thought you say you want to say we didn't have time.
No, 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 we don't have
Honestly,
that.
there's no feedback to give to you negative. You have made very few mistakes. You have spoken very nicely. I have
Okay,
no feedback to give to you. Negative feedback.
thank you so much. And I think time just flew. I did not realize.
Yes, that was the biggest thing. Time just flew. And that is what happens, when you have a very good conversation. That's really nice. When you have a
Yeah.
very fluid conversation, no, time simply goes by. That is the best. That is the best feedback I think for you. The time simply flew, and it's like